You know, every so often, a tool comes along that just feels, well, it feels like a cheat code for a problem you thought was just going to be annoying forever. Today, we're talking about one of those tools. It's free, it's open source, and honestly, it could completely change how you deal with documents.
We have all been there, right? You've got a PDF, a Word doc, maybe a PowerPoint, and all you need is to get the clean, usable text out of it. Sounds so simple, doesn't it? But as any developer will tell you, it can be an absolute world of pain. And for the longest time, your options have felt like this. Frustrating trade-off. On one side, yeah, you've got these powerful cloud APIs, but they can be slow, they can get really expensive really fast, and you're sending your private data to someone else's server. On the other side, you can try to wrestle with local libraries, but that usually means a huge, complicated setup, a steep learning curve, and a lot of them only work with PDFs.
But what if he didn't have to choose between slow and expensive versus complicated and limited? What if you could get the best of both worlds? Well, that is exactly where LiteParse comes into the picture.
So what is it? Put simply, LiteParse is a fast, super lightweight, open source parser. It gives you really high-quality text extraction, and here's the kicker, it does it all without ever sending your data to the cloud. Everything happens right there on your machine. We're talking 100% local, 100% private.
Let's just quickly run through the core features, because they're pretty great. You get fast text parsing straight out of the box. It has a built-in OCR system, optical character recognition, for pulling text out of images, but it's also flexible, so you can plug in your own if you want. And my favorite part, it's a single, standalone binary for Windows, Mac, and Linux. That means no crazy dependencies to install. It just works. And it gives you clean JSON or plain text. Simple.
But here is where LiteParse goes from being just a nice tool to an absolute must-have. See, most of those local parsers, they stop at PDFs. LiteParse, though, it has a kind of superpower.
I mean, think about your actual workflow. You're not just getting PDFs all day. You've got Word documents, you've got PowerPoint presentations, spreadsheets, even images that have text you need. What do you do then? With most tools, you're just stuck. But with LiteParse,
it just works. Seriously. You point it at a Word doc, a PowerPoint, even a PNG file, and it pulls the text right out. No extra steps, no converting things yourself. It almost feels like it shouldn't be this easy.
So how on earth is it doing this? Well, the secret sauce is that LiteParse automatically converts all these different formats into a PDF behind the scenes, right before it parses them. It's super clever. It uses LibreOffice for documents and ImageMagick for images. So as long as you have those installed, which many of us do, LiteParse becomes this kind of universal text extractor. This is without a doubt its killer feature.
But a great tool also knows what it isn't. And I love this. The creators of LiteParse are super transparent about its limits. It's built to be fast and simple, not to handle every single bizarre, complex edge case you could throw at it.
So let's be crystal clear on when to use it. LiteParse is your go-to, your champion for fast, lightweight tasks where you need total privacy and you're dealing with pretty straightforward document layouts. Now, if you're trying to tackle some insanely complex document with dense tables and charts or messy, scanned PDFs with handwriting, that's when you'd reach for its bigger, cloud-based sibling, LlamaParse. They're not competitors, they're complementary tools for different jobs.
Okay, so you're probably thinking, I want this. How hard is it to get up and running? The answer is, it's not hard at all. You can literally be parsing your first document in less than a minute. No, really. If you've got Node.js on your machine, this is it. This one command, that's the entire installation process. npm install-g LiteParse, and you're done. And there are other great ways to get it too. If you're on a Mac, you can just do a simple brew install. And once it's there, using it is just so intuitive. LitParse mydocument.docs. Bam! Got a whole folder full of documents you need to process? No problem. Lit batch / my folder. It's just designed to be useful from the second you install it. So, what's the bottom line here? We now have a tool that just erases a ton of friction from a really common, really frustrating task. It's fast, it's private, and it is unbelievably versatile. So the only real question left is, with this new little superpower sitting on your command line, what are you going to parse first?